Today we will learn about Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a Linux-based operating system. Most operating systems are built for tasks like browsing, coding or office work. Kali Linux is built for one main reason: to provide pre-installed security tools in one place. Instead of installing tools one by one, Kali Linux already comes with them. Kali Linux looks similar to other Linux systems, but internally it is different. It is optimized for tool performance, system analysis, network and application testings. इसलिए बिगिनर्स को ये थोड़ा हैवी लग सकता है, and that is normal. Kali Linux is usually used in virtual machine, lab environments, control testing and setups. Most users don't install it as their main operating system. It's used when needed, not all the time. So Kali Linux isn't about daily computing. It's a specialized Linux system built for security focused work. In the next video, we will explore how Kali Linux is structured and what tools category exists.